Edward Tsai, and I am founder of Thesis Capital. And today I'm going to tell you about this AI fund I'm building and how we're going to source and advise deals in a differentiated way. First, who's a believer in power of generosity? Okay, great. Many people. I found that the fellow SEP alum have been very generous to me, and I believe that even a VC fund can be generous, and it can help drive success in our sourcing and our helping companies. Now, a little bit on my background. I've been a VC since 2008. I've had about $55 billion in exits. Been blessed to have worked at funds such as Alumni Ventures and DCM, where I was mentored by Forbes Mice List winners. And I also was an operator. I worked at Qianxing, raised $700 million for them, and they had a $12 billion IPO. These insights as an investor and operator have helped me have a top decile venture track record. So since 2014, had top decile returns in DPI. Now, first principles. When you think about investing, especially in an AI fund, I think you should ask two questions. One is, what kind of AI startups will provide great returns? And number two, how can a venture fund design itself to be the first call, be best place for referring deals? Now, my thesis is pre-seed stage vertical AI startups in the US focused on dual-sided generative AI providing compelling returns. And by being a very generous venture fund, so sharing 1/4 of carry with scouts and advisors to help introduce to us deals and also help the deals themselves, we can be the first call, if you will, whether someone's at OpenAI or Facebook and they know someone's about to leave, they should call us because we're going to give them real returns. Now, about AI, what's so different? Well, I believe in read, write, and do. In the age of AI, this is the first time where we have a technology in an intelligent way, understanding and being able to generate content. And in the near future, agentic AI is going to be able to help do. What about AI economics? Well, it's certainly a large market, and a lot of that's being driven by untapped verticals. In times past, a lot of technology has helped in manual labor, and today you have technology that's displacing white-collar labor. So this displacement is going to create a lot of value, and using software-like margins where AI, for instance, the investment I did in a dental AI startup, they're replacing office workers with AI phone calls. And so that's replacing someone who earns $25 an hour or more with $1 an hour or less of voice AI. Now, where do we invest? Now, you think about AI. AI is a large place. There's a lot of different trends. There's applications and infrastructure. I think the biggest difference with applications is that it's human-facing. And human-facing things can generate what I call interface loyalty. Humans also have certain workflow requirements and vertical know-how. Whereas you see infrastructure, although it has a lot of usage, it's becoming commoditized with international players like DeepSeek. Now, what's most interesting, I think voice, video, and unstructured text provide very interesting opportunities. One of the companies I invested in prior, who's doing auto dealership service calls, so scheduling calls, just got funded by Andreessen. This fund is going to be focused on pre-seed, so it's investing at the earliest stages of company doing AI-native technologies, and that's where we see a lot of growth. The companies who are raising now $2 million with 3 people can do much more than companies that are raising $10 million 5 years ago. And that's really due to the power of OpenAI and other AI models. This past year, I've also been investing my personal capital into companies to hone the investment thesis. That set is now 11 companies, and the portfolio is up over 30%. In summary, venture funds really need to see great deals and win great deals. And at my prior firm, Alumni Ventures, I started their scout program. We had 100 scouts. And one of my friends said, after I said, hey, I'm going to incentivize you to help, he said, here's my deal list. So in summary, love to partner with fellow SEPers. Whether you want to learn about AI industry trends, feel free to find me. I'll put you on an email list and share with you some of the latest findings in AI. Or if you're interested in being an advisor, we have a lot of startups that you can help and connected to. Finally, if you're interested in investing and having access to venture capital and AI, please come see me. We'd love to work with you. Thank you.